Well, since it was just down the street, I decided to check out a few old things, antiques and collectibles. And let's go find a few things, right? Again, more really amazing stuff in the cases here. I love the little Bakelite pin. Well, this is a really pretty antique mall, but I'm kind of getting the sense it's not really my vibe in here. I'm still gonna walk around just to make sure, but something tells me I'm not gonna be here for that long. Well, super cute, but not really my speed, like I said. So I'm gonna get back in the car and I'll see you at my next stop. All right, I'm gonna take my chance here at the Family Indoor Flea Market. Interesting. Can't lie, this isn't really what I was expecting from the outside. I went ahead and grabbed the Proactive basket. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Well, this is what caught my attention first. That doesn't look right. These don't look right for some reason. Little bisque cowboy. Oh, my camera. Oh my gosh, what is going on with my screen? Hold on. Hopefully that's better. Looks like a lot of newer stuff. It's kind of hard to navigate this place. Gotta really suck. Gosh, there's bugs everywhere. Good grief. All right, this is what I was going for. Huh. Can't really read what the price tag. What is that up there? Oh my gosh, what a cute book. Oh. Baby animals and birds. That's really sweet. Oh, that's really neat. Kind of hard to navigate with one hand. That's $19 though. Looks like everything else so far is about retail in this booth though. A lot of man-tiki stuff. What's going on over here? Interesting. No shortage of Mexican pottery, although you know what I'm looking at. I'm going straight for it. These things are epic, epic, epic. $20. Oh, it's so fantastic. Oh, I don't know if I could get away with that for resale, especially because it's new, but it's just like so epic. Oh, I don't know. I really want to, because epic color. How many times can I say epic? You know, well, the Jaguars. Oh wait, no, so I'm wrong. I read the price wrong, 25, booth 20. Yeah, I don't think I can get away with that. The Jaguar's neat, that's 45. There's a lot of this going around here. Oh my gosh, look at this. How fabulous. So cool. Not for sale. Ah. All right, a little taste of vintage over here. So cute. What's this? Interesting. How about back here? I don't know if this spot is really my speed either. Yeah, it's a lot more of the newer stuff. I think I'm gonna finish this aisle and hop back in the car. Ooh. 20 bucks, dang. I think it's time for another good old-fashioned antique mall. Now, I have to admit, I passed a couple thrift stores on the way here that looked awesome. However, I'm hot, I'm tired, I've been on the road for almost 4 weeks. There's a special event, a bunch of roads are closed, it's super trafficy. I just didn't have it in me. I don't have the thrift store on me most good days, let alone today. So I just arrived at Antique Specialty Mall, and let's go see what we can find. This is definitely more my speed. All right. These are cute. Germany. 1970s. $40. Oh, it's for the set. That makes more sense. Let's see. Got all kinds of stuff. Oh, this place is so big. I'm so glad. And it's air conditioning. How neat. Look at the new old stock razor blades. Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. A bunch of fun little knickknacks and salt and pepper shakers. 15 on that set. Oh my gosh, look at this weird thing. Oh, I love that so much, but 15 is really close. It's so epic. Ooh. Oh, I thought it was a set. Never mind. I'm like still coming out of sitting in traffic in that sun. This is a nice ashtray. Ooh. Oh, I love it so much. Cute little cat figurine. This one's newer than I normally go for, but it's got an adorable little face. $8. This is cute too. Bone china, Taiwan. Little cat bell, $4. That's pretty cute. It's got a little bit of paint loss on it. I'm being kind of picky. I'm most excited to go back to Texas, honestly. Texas has never really disappointed me. This is really nice. It's contemporary, 22. Oh, I love the mirror too. Oh, whoa. There's all kinds of stuff going on in here. I love the bracelets. Little Lulu. Oh my gosh, wait. Look at the little Lulu doll, but most importantly, look at her little coin purse. She's at, I actually can't tell what the price is, but this booth looks like it's probably about retail, judging from the other prices. I'm sure Lulu's definitely not cheap. What about here? Lots of fun little buttons. Oh, the glare. I was looking at the little Scotty dog ones, the children's buttons. I love stuff like that. More vanity stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the chocolate tin. That's fantastic. So is that box. Puzzles, super cute. Ah, so much little fun stuff. And plastic cars. Buttons. Paper. Oh, man. I'm spacey. This is exciting. I really wanted a big antique mall. Looks like I found one. Parrots. This is a neat hat. Definitely different. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, how fun. CB2, but the faces in it are what's the most epic, except I don't see price tags on those. I think they're styrofoam. They might not travel well. Oh, they're so fun. Whoa. Packed. Super packed. Really amazing. Ooh, I see a lot of stuff I like. It's kind of hard to, oh my gosh, look at the Buster Brown. Oh, wow. It's kind of hard to weed stuff out when there's this much good stuff packed in a small space. Now this caught my attention. What is this box? Flutters the butterfly. Oh, I see, it's the box for this tin toy. Dang, I was gonna say the box is better than the toy. What is this? Card games. What is this little print? Oh, that's sweet. $6. I think that's sweet. I kind of like the wear on that. Am I crazy for liking this little print that's falling apart a little bit? I'm a little uncertain actually now that I don't know, $6. It's fair, but I don't know how much I could get out of it. What about this little tin? Cute. What's this? Blitz polishing cloth. That's neat. This has my attention. Bake light. And lots of it. Definitely spendy though. Those are those? Oh, shoe clips. I thought those were earrings. How fabulous. Oh my gosh, the lawn chair. Oh my god. Look at this. That is so cute. This is neat too. Murano. Huh. Lots of really fabulous art in here for sure. That's weird. I think these are new, but I have to look at them anyway. They look like, what, Kindle holders? Yeah. Oh no, made in Japan. 1979. 25 for the pair. Those are pretty epic. I feel like I could make a couple bucks off them, but maybe not enough to justify spending 25. Look at the, oh, that's so fun. Mail slot kit. Oh, wow. Oh, never mind. I don't know what I thought that was. I thought it had like a yellow trim. Some really neat stuff in here. Oh my gosh, that boudoir doll. How fantastic. Well, I love the red rhinestone bangle. That's at 14 though. Oh my gosh, look at this. Evelyn. That's, oh, it's out of focus, sorry. There's a lot to look at in here. The other thing that kind of caught my attention, where to go? Oh yeah, this set. Well, I guess now I have to go back around. Hold on. Wait, how much is that? Oh, that's fantastic, the little coffee break. Oh my gosh, so much neat stuff in here. Okay, we need a key because I have to know how much that coin purse is. Among other things, what book is this? Showcase. It doesn't really say much, does it? X? This is confusing, man. 149 showcase. Well, before I get the key, I got sidetracked by her. 15. I might have to scoop her. Oh my gosh. Well, it might not have been the best deal, but I couldn't let that merry-go-round girl go. It was a compact. It zipped. Unfortunately, the mirror was broken. It was $15. But the metal graphic with the girl etched in it was too spectacular. And the little bunny pins, they were so cute. And they had the little beaded faces. Again, $12. Maybe not the best. Oh, she left her coffee here. Oh, I'm sure she'll figure it out. Like I said, maybe not the best deal, but at $12 for the pair, I know I can make money off them, and I think they're super special. I've never seen them with the rabbit ears like that before. June special, unless it says firm. Well, I have to know. I have to know. $3. Are you kidding me? That's so cool. Is it 50% off too? I feel cheap asking. I think it is. That's really quite epic. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up for, gosh, $1.50. That makes up for overpaying a little bit for that compact that's broken. What is going on over here? It's just neat. Love the decanter tags. What is that little ice cream cone? I think it's probably like an Avon perfume or something. Yes, it says Avon. $13. Very cute though. I cannot afford to have anything smelling in my car. What? Is this open? No, it's not. Can I tell you how much the snowman is? I see it's got a big chip on it actually. Oh, look at this guy. How fun. 22 Huckleberry Finn. I was also looking at the little plush in here. Oh, I missed a case. Thank goodness I turned around. Let's see. Oh, the bear's really funny. The bear pin. Well, this case doesn't turn. Oh, 36. I was gonna say that pin is fantastic. The anthropomorphic bug. Looks like, is there a discount? No, I don't see one. Looks like this booth might be a little bit more pricey than the other one that I didn't finish because I can't stop looking around at everything because there's so much happening. Like this Muppet situation. Dude, what? Fraggle Rock? Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh, how fantastic. I've never even seen Fraggle Rock toys like that. Dude, what? Okay, so the owl's 50, the dog is 45. I was gonna say, that is so epic. I've never seen like the green dog napkin holder like that. That's so fun. And what do we have here? I think this says 15. Is there a discount? Reconsider. Oh, this is so cute though. Oh, it's broken. All right, well yeah, I can't justify 15 if it's broken. Little miniatures. A cat. That's a fun one. 16 though. Pagan Renegar worms and such. Wait, look at this fun little snail. Is it a snail? It is a snail. Oh, that's adorable. Why is this one only $4? I don't know, but we're gonna open up the bag and look at it. Yeah, all the other ones are 14, which makes me nervous. So I'm gonna do some investigation on that. Now, yeah, those cats are at 22, those Hagen Renegers. That's a fun pin with the flowers. Let's go see what's going on with this snail. I didn't see anything wrong with it, so I threw it in the basket for $4. What's going on down here? So much cute stuff. Oh my gosh, look at that cat. How fantastic. Can't see what the price is. Another Hagen Renegar. It's gotta be super key-worthy for me to go back at this point. Oh, wow. Speaking of key-worthy, look at this doll case. These are fantastic. Oh, I love the little one. But the little bisque antique dolls here, the older ones are definitely spendy. Ooh, speaking of spendy, look at the bracelet situation happening here. I'm looking around for a discount sign. I don't see one. That's a big light. Love the monkey see. No evil. Oh wow, look at all the compacts in here. It would be hard to top that one I just got with the carousel, even though it's kind of broken.